One of the things that can make your design look a lot better is, instead of having all of these square shapes around things, actually having text wrap around your pictures in a much more fluid way. I'm going to show you exactly how we can do that. So the easy way to do it is, first of all, we're going to need a picture. So I've got Internet Explorer here. You can use Google Chrome, in which case you can directly copy and paste, but I'm going to use Internet Explorer, and I'm going to search for students like this. And here we are. Here's a bunch of students, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to search for a transparent image. So I'm going to select color and transparent, and look at this. There we are. There's a bunch of students, and when it loads, what we'll see let's try that. When we say view image, there we are. What we'll see is we've got a nice picture of a bunch of students. So I'm going to save that picture. So I'm going to say save picture as, and I'm going to save it just in here. Now I'm going to insert that into my publisher document by clicking on picture and going and finding the picture I just downloaded. Now what you can see is there's this big ugly white square around my students, and I don't like that. I want it to be a lot more subtle than that. So under wrap text, what I can do is I can say edit wrap points, and because it's a transparent image, it's actually going to find most of these wrap points for me. And now if I select wrap text and tight, yes, you can see that the text is wrapping around these students just like this, wherever I place them. And if I put them in the bottom corner there like that, and maybe even I could make them bigger, it starts to make a more effective look. Now you can see this paragraph has come down here, which looks a little bit ugly. Maybe I don't want that. Down here is quite cool. So what I can do is I can edit the wrap points, and again I can move these individual points out like this, and then that will stop it wrapping down there. And I think, to be honest, I want to just cut that off a little bit earlier so it doesn't get down to one word, and you can see it wraps there. So what I can do now is just click off of that, and suddenly I've got a much more professional looking document. I can resize my piece of text here, and it rewraps automatically. There's a couple of escapee words down there, so I might want to edit my wrap points again just to bring that out and bring that out. There we are. So that is how we can insert an image and wrap around it in a much smoother way.